how to fix YouTube restricted mode turn on by network administrator. So if you want to fix your YouTube restricted mode turn on by network administrator, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply open up your browser. After that, go with the three dots which will be in the top and go with settings. Now under settings, you need to scroll down and go with privacy and security. And here you will have an option of use secure DNS. Tap on it and make sure that this option is turned on. After that, you need to just simply go and select a provider, which is you need to choose Google public DNS. Once you've selected that, now you can go back and then refresh your YouTube. If you're using your PC, you can just simply go with the same steps as well. After that, your restricted mode will be turned off. Or you can just simply go back and turn it off by yourself, and it won't turn on again. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.